Welcome back, everybody. This is the 16th video to share pictures from our trip to Japan. After this, only 2 more to go. Enjoy! It was an easy start to the day, with breakfast pastries from the konbini. The places we wanted to travel to today were a ways away, and with this small town, we figured it might be easier to take a taxi to the places we wanted to visit. But the apps for hailing a cab hadn't worked for us so far, so we walked to the train station to catch one. We took the taxi to Arakura Sengen, which has one of those iconic views. Mt.Fuji in the distance beyond a beautiful red pagoda nestled amongst the trees. There are 400 steps to the top, so we opted to get lunch before ascending. The food stands near the base weren't open yet, strangely, so we walked a couple of blocks away until we found a ramen shop. It was interesting. There were tables out front with an assortment of food, including lobster. Inside it had a rustic feel, with crates for seats and self-service drinks. We ordered a tempura ramen, a chashu ramen, yakitori, beer, and sake. The food was decent, but I really wish we'd had some of the ramen in other towns too. The hike up to the pagoda didn't really feel like 400 steps, although it did look like it. Unfortunately, just like when we were in Shizuoka, the days following our arrival were a mix of cloudy and overcast, so we didn't get the view of Fujisan we were seeking. However, from the Google Maps pictures, I could almost picture Fujisan in my mind when I looked out over the vista. And the pagoda was beautiful. There were also hiking trails up at the top, so we hiked on a little further until we reached Turtle Rock. I snapped a pic of my Squirtle umbrella next to it, yes, it was raining, and turned to head down. The taxi driver had told us how to get back when dropping us off. There were no taxi pickups at Arakura Sengen, so it was necessary to walk to the nearby train station. We did walk over there, but before taking the train, we stopped into a little cafe. It was super cool. They actually had a tatami room where visitors could enter, after removing their shoes of course, and then sit on the floor, sharing tables with other travelers. We had coffee, cocoa, and a blueberry muffin. After riding the train back to the main station, we walked towards the lake from the day before in hopes of riding the ropeway we saw during our initial exploration. It takes people up to what is either a really large hill or a really small mountain, to a vista point that is perfect for viewing Mount Fuji. However, it was closed. I did get a stamp though and asked when it would be open again. It was undergoing maintenance and should be open the next day. If we'd known it was going to be closed, we would have stayed on the train for a few more stops and gone to the theme park over in the next town, but would have to settle for doing that the next day instead. We revisited the park from the prior day to try and locate my cat bus pin that I didn't realize I'd lost until it was too late, but it was nowhere to be found. It was getting late, so we headed back towards the yakiniku place we'd seen and smelled the night before. Oh man, it was phenomenal. We had beef, pork, duck, corn, beer, and umeshu. The quality of the food was top-notch, and because of the way they vent it, you don't go home feeling all greasy or stinking like fried meats like some of the places we have near where we live. Speaking of which, it was less than half of what it would cost at home for much higher quality and extra drinks. Like the day before, we picked up breakfast for the next day, this time from a store that resembled a Walgreens rather than a konbini. Well, that's it for this video. If there's anything you want to know more about, put it in the comments below. I'll post the next video tomorrow, so make sure to like and subscribe for more.